Hey guys, this is Falcon, and in this video I will teach you how you can create a store on Shopify. If you want to sell something online and you don't know how to create a store on Shopify and manage products, so don't worry, I will teach you how you can create a store on Shopify easily and manage your products. Okay, so keep watch my Shopify series, all videos, to understand about Shopify development. Okay, before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's do this. Okay, now first open up Google and search Shopify partner. And click on the first link, become a Shopify partner. This will redirect to the Shopify partner website. Okay, now click on this email address box and add your email. Now click on the join button and some of the options which you can use to create your account in Shopify. The first option is you can create with email account like Gmail. Okay, the second you can create with Apple account. Third, you can create a Shopify account with Facebook. And the last, you can create with the Google account. Okay, now I'm creating account with this first option, sign up with email. Click on this. Now add your details like first and last name and your password. Click on this CAPTCHA. Now click on this create Shopify account. Okay, now click on this create a new partner account. Now we are selling products online, so I'm going to select this selling product as a Shopify merchant. Click on next. Now choose your country and click on next. Here add your business details like your store name, and add your address and your city and zip code. And now click on next. And here you need to add your role as a Shopify. I'm creating a website, so I will add developer. Add your contact. Click on this chat box and click on this submit. Now your account has been created. The next step is to verify your email address. Go to the Gmail and click on this Shopify partners email, and now click on verify email. Now the email has been verified, and then okay, now our account has been created on Shopify. The next step is to create a store on Shopify. Okay, so click on this store options on the left side. Okay, now click on create a development store. Now add your store details. Okay, your store name. Next is the location where your store, where will you provide your services, which country. So select the country and then you select the option. You have your online store, just online store, or you have just a physical store. Okay, so I'm just selling online products. Okay, I don't have a physical store, so I will click just select the online. Okay, the last is your client currently selling through another platforms? Do they already sell through a POS market or e-commerce platform? This will not trigger a store import. Click on no and then click on the create development store. Now your store is going to create. Okay, now click on your account. Okay, just select the options. Where would you like to sell? I'm going to sell online, so click on an online store, then next. Okay, which of these best describes you? Click on I'm just starting, and what do you plan to sell first? Okay, click on get started. Okay, now your store has been created. Okay, click on the left side this online store. Okay, these are options which you can use to customize your store. Okay, and now select a theme. So I'm going to select this first. Click on add. Now theme has been installed, then click on the publish. Now theme has been published, then click on this I button to view your store how it looks like. This is your Shopify store. Okay, keep connect with the my Shopify series to understand about the Shopify store development. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.